Hello, hello, and welcome back to another edition here on Cook. Don't be lazy. On today's episode, I've got for you guys red beans and rice, Cajun style. Let's get started. So what's it gonna take to make this? 1 green bell pepper, a sweet onion, some celery sticks, and let's not forget our andouille sausage. Take those ingredients and slice them and dice them. We need a Dutch oven. Set it to medium high. Get some vegetable oil. Let that heat up. Take your andouille sausage. We're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. About 5 minutes later, once the sausage is browned, we're going to take it out of the Dutch oven. We're going to set it off to the side temporarily, and then we're going to throw in our green peppers, celery, and onion. We're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. We're going to stir it frequently. So after about 4 or 5 minutes or so, we need some tomato paste. Just going to grab 2 decent sized spoonfuls of it. We need some garlic, some minced garlic. I'm just going to eyeball it. That's going to be about 2 decent sized spoonfuls of it. We need some chicken broth. I'm going to put the entire container of chicken broth in it, 32 ounces. And let's not forget our Creole Seasoning. That was probably, I don't know, I eyeballed it, but a good 3 tablespoons worth. So let me stir this up. Wait a few minutes for it to come back to a simmer. So in the meantime, let's work on our next step. So we need 3 cans of kidney beans. We're going to drain them. Let's throw our drained beans in there. Let's put our andouille sausage back in. We're going to throw in a little bit of salt. I'll taste it a little bit later, see if it needs a little bit more extra salt. And let's throw in a couple of dashes of hot sauce. Cover this up. Drop the temperature down to about 4. And that's it for our red beans. Next thing we got to work on, our rice. So for our rice, we're going to use Basmati rice. If I'm even pronouncing it right. Basmati. It's a white rice. I'm just going to cook it to the directions stated on the package. So for a cup of rice, we need 1 3/4 cup water. Throw in my rice. I'm going to throw in a small tablespoon of butter. And a little bit of salt. Let me stir that up a little bit. I'm going to bring that to a boil. So once your rice comes to a boil, cover it and drop it to low. Alright, so the rice is cooking, red beans are simmering. I've got about 20 minutes to kill. I figured why not make some cheapy cornbread. Cornbread, red beans, and rice sounds real good together. So that's how I'm going to spend the next 20 minutes. So once the rice is done cooking, it's time to plate up. Cajun red beans and rice with a side of cheapy cornbread. Drop a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you guys next week here on Cook! Don't be lazy.